Next is to create the code. Let's see what needs to be happened here. In the previous part of this lesson, we need to prepare the code for the remaining 4 screens in the same way as we created the code for the Stellar Nebula screen. Let's go to the Massive Star screen. When you click on this sprite, the facts about the massive star phase of the star's life cycle should be displayed in the MS Info label here. In that way, when you click on the sprite on the other screens, you need to display the information related to that stage in the label. Let's prepare the code now. First, click on the Blocks tab on the Massive Star screen. Since we have duplicated these screens, the code in the Stellar Nebula screen has been automatically added to this screen. Therefore, we can easily adjust the code by changing only the necessary parts. Look, the component names that we have changed in this code have changed automatically. Therefore, we need to change only the things that needs to be displayed. If your code is not displayed correctly, click the Reload button on the left side of the address bar and reload the page. Okay. Now when the Massive Star screen opens, in the MS Info label, click anywhere for info is displayed. When you click on the sprite on the screen again, 2 things should be displayed in this label. Massive Star. 1. Brighter and burns faster. 2. Massive hydrogen burning stars are blue. Let's change this part of the code. Here I type as Massive Star. Again, in the next line, remove huge clouds and gases and let's give as 1. Brighter and burns faster. Remove the existing text 2 in the last line and give as 2. Massive hydrogen burning stars are blue. Next, you will see that an error is displayed in the call text-to-speech code block. Now, there is no text-to-speech 2 component in the app. We deleted the text-to-speech components received while duplicating the screen. That is why an error has come in this way. Click on this arrow again and select Text-to-Speech 1 from here. Okay, now let's go to the third screen. That is the Red Giant screen. As before, the code is automatically added here. We have to change only the things that need to be displayed. In this label called RG Info, let's display as Giant Star exhausted its hydrogen. Examples: Gacrux and Arcturus. I type here as Red Giant. In the next line, 1. Giant Star exhausted its hydrogen. 2. Examples Gacrux and Arcturus is typed. Now the code has been created for the Red Giant stage as well. Next is the Supernova screen. Let's change the necessary things for here. In this label called SN Info, let's display as Supernova. 1. Huge explosion, death of a star. 2. Throws many elements in the universe. I type here as Supernova. In the next line, it is typed as 1. Huge explosion, death of a star. In the last line, it is typed as throws many elements in the universe. There is one more screen left, the black hole screen. Let's go to the black hole screen. Here too, the information to be displayed in the BH Info label needs to be changed. Let's display as black hole 1. Maximum gravity, even light cannot escape. 2. Example Cygnus X3. I type here as black hole. In the next line, 1. Maximum gravity, even light cannot escape. And in the last line, 2. Example Cygnus X3 is typed. Okay, now we have finished creating the code for all the stages of the Stellar Life app. Now go back to the Stellar Nebula screen and click the Live Test button.
Stellar Nebula. 1. Huge clouds of dust and gases. 2. The cloud eventually becomes a star. Massive star. 1. Brighter and burns faster. 2. Massive hydrogen burning stars are blue. Red Giant. 1. Giant star exhausted its hydrogen. 2 examples, Gacrux and Arcturus. Supernova. 1. Huge explosion, death of a star. 2. Throws many elements in the universe. Supernova. 1. Huge explosion, death of a star. 2 throws many elements in the universe. Black hole. 1 maximum gravity, even light cannot escape. 2 examples Cygnus X3.
To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the number 076 812 5244. Tell your friends about the creation. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club. And now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school. We are ready to give all the guidance for that. If you want to start DP Coding Clubs in any school where computer labs are available, make a request to the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson with DP Coding School. Have a good day.